Hey everyone, how would you like to go for a virtual test drive in a 1942 Mercury? It's got a custom built flathead V8 with the Offenhauser heads and intake, dual Stromberg carbs, 3-speed trans. You can tell by the interior it's had some nice upgrades done too, including aftermarket heat and air conditioning system. Got cup holders. All right, I've not driven the car. When I do these test drives, you're coming along with. We're doing this together. Has these nice comfortable leather seats with the retractable seat belts built in. Each seat is power. I did adjust it just a minute ago, but it's got power seats. We do have turn signals were added. Let's start it up and hear how that flathead sounds. It's been bored, it's been stroked. So the original gauges are being used. They do work. They have LED lights. The clock does not work. And he does have temperature gauge down here. These are the heat and air conditioning controls. We got a USB plug and an auxiliary plug. Really cool feature. This radio has been rebuilt with the modern guts in it. It's got speakers, 4 speakers. Hey, that's pretty cool. That old radio. I seen speakers. I was looking everywhere. Where they have the radio hidden? It's got a horn. Parking brake works. We're on a hill right now and it's holding. It's got a new clutch and throw out bearing. Okay. Gotta make sure I'm starting off in the right gear. Here we go. It's got an electric fan to keep it running cool. See the speedo's working. To see the full description and video done in our studio and all the pictures, go to volocars.com. This right here is just the test drive portion of our presentation. Turn signal indicator in the dash works. Feels nice. Oil pressure looks good. Temperature's doing good. It's got the original drum brake setup, but it has been rebuilt. We got an electric fan. It runs off the mechanical fuel pump. It also has an auxiliary electric fuel pump, which you don't normally need. If it's been sitting a long time, it just gets fuel up there and helps the car start quicker. It's got modern fuse block with the push-in fuses, new wiring. Got that little grind in the second and in the third. I don't know if I'll have to pay attention if I'm not pushing the clutch in or there's an adjustment. It's not bad, but and that is just a squeak in the shifter. That was not me grinding gears. Tell you, it rides really nice. These seats are really comfortable. It feels good. I don't feel scared. I don't feel lack of control. It actually stops very well. We actually have a transmission shop right next door. I will ask him. But that little grind in the second and third. It's got radial white wall tires on it. Got a thumbs up from that car. I also just noticed when I put the window up, it's got a crack. It is a piece of flat glass, so we can replace that. Went into second just fine. I think it's just a matter of getting used to. Yep, that time it ground. Got a little noise in the third. Doing 55 miles an hour right now. It's kind of fun. It still has you know, characteristics of a nice vintage car, but also has some really nice upgrades too. Maybe we can address that squeakiness. That's happening like right here. Must be a bushing or something. Got a little giddy up and go. It's got stainless valves and stainless seats and upgraded ignition system. So I hope you enjoyed the virtual test drive. Go to volocars.com to get the full presentation of this car and find out the price. There's a few hundred cars on there, all for sale at volocars.com.